Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Thursday, it's the 26th of October 2023. I am going to be doing a review of this medical kit. Now this medical kit was sent to me by East Tennessee Preparedness. He has them available, so if you go to his channel, and that's East Tennessee Preparedness, he has the link. He's selling these kits. Okay, so what we're going to look at here first of all is I'm going to pop this side open here, and we're just going to kind of look at this step by step. Alright, what we have here is a trauma bandage. Okay, and this is let's see, trauma wound dressing, hemorrhage control bandage. Okay, it's a 6-inch long bandage. You can see that on the back there. Alright, so that is on that part there. It's got a glow stick, it's got a pen. In this spot up here, it's a pair of scissors, which that's a good thing to have. If you have to cut away pants or anything, that's always a good thing to have. Then over on this side, what we have is, let's pop this right out of here. Alright, I'm going to show you this. This is the Rhino Rescue. It's a tourniquet, okay? And I'm just going to open that up to show you. I'm not going to open this whole thing up, but that's what that is there, okay? So, you can see from the thing, this is how it works. Let's see if it's got it on the back side here. But this really works well. The Rhino is a good tourniquet to have, and so definitely something worth having. Okay, so we're going to put that there. Now we're going to pull this out of the center of here. Okay, so that's your carry case. You can snap that onto a belt, or however your carry thing, whatever, however you want to do it, so that you have it available to you. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pop these ones here, and we're going to open this up, and we're going to take a look on the inside of here. So over here we got a couple of the bandages to start out with. Alright, Ace bandages. You have triangular bandage that you could use for an arm sling. There is a couple of things of tape. Here you have a pen light, which I like that idea, a pair of tweezers, and what is that? I'm not sure. Let's take a look at that. Oh, they're both on the same thing. So, I guess that works pretty good. An emergency whistle. You're probably all going, what the heck? Oh, she come running up too when I did that. That's funny. Hi, baby. What was that? Alcohol prep pads. Actually, let me look at this. Maybe this is not what I think it is. Oh, it's a marker. There we go. I thought it was a pen light for a second. It's another marker. Alright. So we will put those back in there. That is a good whistle. I will tell you that right now. Alright. And then we have another emergency bandage here. And it just kind of shows you how that goes. That's all sealed up, sterile. And that's what's on that side. So we'll put all this stuff back in here for that side. And let's check out the other side. Alright, on this side we have stop lead. I like stop lead, always a good thing to have. We have an emergency blanket on this side, it's also a good thing. A pair of disposable gloves. You have a burn shield, again, something really important to have because you just never know. That's an airway, okay? So if you have to do an artificial airway, that's what that is. That's sealed up, which I like that as well. Alright, let's see what else we got here. ABD pad. Vent chest seal, okay. There are some more adhesive wound dressings. So nice thing to have. A lot of good things in this kit. What would I do to improve it? Well, the only thing I would say that would be missing in this kit, I mean, it's hard because you're talking about limited space. What they have in this kit is great. I would, if it was me, a suggestion would be a few more band-aids, just to have in here regular band-aids. I know that that's, you know, not always the ideal situation, but put that one back there. I like the overall setup of the kit though. I mean, you got it's pretty compact. Like I said, you could put some more band-aids in there, maybe a few more dressing pads, because anybody that's ever cut themselves, I know that when I did, where's the scar? Right there. When I did this one here, I changed that dressing every day, twice a day, for probably a week. Obviously, this is not, you're not using this kit as something that you're going to use, you know, this is an emergency thing. If you're out and you're not able to be near your camp and you need to have some place to, you know, quick emergency type of stuff, that's what this is more for, you know. But like I said, I would like to see, the only thing different, like I said, would be I'd have a few more regular band-aids in here, just because you have to have, you know, a lot of times you're going to have those kind of cuts. You know, obviously this would be a great thing to have, especially in a combat situation. You know, you might need to have something really quickly. Another thing I might add in here is some betadine. You know, that would be probably the only two things that I would add, because the betadine you could put in here, small tube, cleaning out a wound and stuff like that. So that would be one thing, like I said, I would add, and some more bandages. That pretty much would be it. Other than that, I think it's a really good kit. Definitely worth having. And again, it's not, let me just tighten this up, hold on. What do you hear? You're not hearing a lot of noise. That's important, because you definitely don't want to have a ton of noise when you're in a situation where, you know, you need to be as quiet as you possibly can be. And so, actually what I'm going to do, I'll put that in afterwards. But yeah, nice little kit. Definitely, I think, worth the money. And you know, it's well thought out. Like I said, the only thing, like I said again, that I would add to this, where you could actually add to the small of a kit, would be some betadine. You could get betadine pads and use those. You don't necessarily have to have the bottle of betadine, but you could get betadine pads. And then just some bandages, which could easily go into that kit. Other than that, I think it's a really nice kit, and I would highly recommend it. Alright, Again, if you are interested, East Tennessee Preparedness, you would go over to his site, check that out over there, and that is available. And he'll have the link there where you can get those. I hope you enjoyed this review. Medical supplies are important, folks, and I really think that we need to be prepared that way as well. So, anyway, remember, folks, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we truly will be in much, much better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day, tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important to tell the people that you care about every day how you feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. And you guys are hearing Mr. Lucky in the background. Just focus on what you can control, take care of what you can control, set realistic goals, and then set about to making them happen. Alright? I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.